everyone, Leiann King here, and I want to welcome you to the Aroma Share Club. And right now we're going to be making carrot soup because carrots are pretty prolific if you have a garden. But if you're like me right now, I just went and got carrot juice straight from the deli case in the grocery store. So that's okay, right? So we just do what we have to do. So you can make fresh carrot juice if you want to, or you can get the bottled carrot juice, which is what I did. And we are going to pour this into, this is my daughter's brand new retro blender, Vitamix blender, retro, way cool. I spilled a little bit of carrot juice there, but I think it'll be okay. So I'm going to put the carrot juice in and the ginger. So I just have a ½ inch chunk of ginger, so I'm going to drop that in. You know me, if I was eating it all by myself, I put in a whole inch chunk, but other people have to eat this. And I did get myself a little scooper. Let's see what I can find. This will work. So I've already taken the avocado, peeled it, chunked it, and we're going to put it in here. And what that does is it makes it creamier, so it's almost like a creamy tomato soup in a way, you know, like kind your mom used to make, the Campbell's. You guys remember that? So we are going to put this in here. There we go. All right. And then we are going to we're just going to blend that until it's smooth first, because we have all these other herbs and things, but we don't want to blend them up too small. So she doesn't have a little plunger yet. We got to find that on eBay somewhere. So we're just going to turn this on. Okay, that should be pretty good. All right, then we are going to add the fresh herbs. I have a ½ cup here of chopped cilantro, and we're going to be putting coriander oil in here. And this might be a duh to a lot of you, but I'm embarrassed to say that for a long time I did not know that coriander was the fruit with the seeds in it from cilantro, and that actually cilantro is just the Spanish word for coriander. And in other countries they don't call it cilantro, they call it coriander, and they just call it coriander seed for what we call coriander. They just call it coriander seed. And I have a ½ cup of fresh parsley. And parsley can be a pretty strong bitter herb, so I would not go over the ½ cup if I was you. So I'm going to put this ½ cup of that in there. And then I'm going to, this is Bragg's aminos. You can use coconut aminos if you want to, or a low sodium soy sauce would work too. And then I'm going to put a pinch of salt in there. Good organic sea salt. I got some leaves in here in my serving dishes. So now, and then now I'm going to add the 1 drop of coriander oil, and smell the lid. Make sure you know what you're getting. Okay. You want to make sure, try really hard to only get 1 drop. Now I'm going to blend this up again. And I'm just going to do a couple of pulses. Because I don't want the parsley and the cilantro, you know, completely turned into juice. This is a fun little blender. You never know what you can find on Facebook. She found this on Facebook near where I live, and she said, run over to this yard sale and get it for me. So we're going to put this in here. This looks way yummy. And then you can garnish it with green onions, chopped green onions. And I think you could put some more chopped cilantro if you wanted to on top of that to add some more color. And then you're going to take sesame seeds, either the white or the black. And this adds a really good crunchy texture to it when you're eating it too. And the sesame seeds just give it a really good flavor too. So, let me move these things out of the way so you can see. Alright, here is our 2 bowls of carrot soup, coriander soup. Way yummy. I know you guys are going to love it. So, thank you so much for joining us, and make sure you post your favorite recipes on Facebook today.